Let's see how we can deploy a database to a cloud and interact with it. First, we log into Qubinets and go through the new cloud setup. Choose a test prototype or use your own cloud. We pick from the set of application we are going to use. Let's pick a MySQL database. And to see that data has persisted, we're going to add dbeaver and ingress ngx to connect to our MySQL instance. Select a cloud provider of your choice and finish the setup process by clicking on Instantiate Cloud. When the cloud is fully set up, let's connect the applications. Easily move and organize your QBs. We can change some of the parameters. Let's change our database name to Qubinets, and let's make that change on the connection from dbeaver as well. We can see on the nginx to MySQL connection that the port we are connecting to is 3306. Now let's jump over to our IDE and write a simple Python script that will connect to our MySQL database. Here we are copying over our username, password, DB name, and host variables for our code. Let's say once you are ready for deployment of your application, you would just change these to be environment variables. Now let's write some SQL queries that will create a table called customers and insert a new customer in our new table. Now that our apps are deployed, we can get the external address of the ngx ingress. Let's copy that over and run our code. Okay, we got one record inserted. Let's go over to dbeaver in our cluster and see if we can see our customer entry. This is the first time we're opening dbeaver, so it requires us to set our username and password. So, authenticate the account. Let's copy over this MySQL host and let's set up a connection to it. If we try and find our table customers, we can see that it is persisted in the database, and we can see our first customer in the table. Adding a customer will instantly work. Let's add another one. Let's quickly check the contents of the customers table. We can see both users in the table. Data infrastructure made easy with Qubinets.